Hi everyone, welcome back to Said with Love, and I'm thrilled to be able to announce our next sew along, which is going to be Camille Roskelley's Edelweiss. Now, this kit has just hit the shops. Australia has even got theirs. They're in the midst of being shipped out to all of our customers, and we'd love for you to join with us for this sew along. We're starting on May 1st, so there's plenty of time to get yourself sorted. If you haven't bought the kit, go and grab it now because it is sold out at Moda, at the wholesaler. So anything that you see in the shops of kits, that's it. We can't get any more. So if you want to do the sew along with a kit, it has all the fabric for the quilt top and the binding in it. But you could also grab fabrics from your local quilt shop as well if you wanted to use Shoreline. And seriously, Shoreline is just is just gorgeous. Look at those colours. This really deep navy is fantastic, but these little greens and the two different blues are just beautiful. So you could grab those from your local quilt shop. And I've seen it already made up in Light-Hearted as well, Camille's other collection, which is all pinks and sort of reds. It's beautiful, so pretty. You can, of course, also just use your scraps from your stash. I'm sure if you're a Camille Roskelley fan, you'll probably have some Bonnie and Camille fabrics sitting in your stash. And seriously, this would look beautiful with any fabrics. But I must say, the dark navy background of this really makes those flowers pop. The boxed kit, Moda just does a fabulous job with their boxed kits. Let me just open it up for you. So there's always a little thank you note from Moda, and then of course it includes the pattern. So it has all of the, in beautiful colour might I add, all of the instructions to make the blocks. The back has the fabric requirements. So if you purchase the pattern from your local quilt shop or you go online to Camille's website, you can see what the requirements are. So what fabrics you need to grab if you are going to do it with your own fabrics. And then we have all of the beautiful fabrics that come already in its requirements cut for you. So head on over to the website. I've put the link in the caption below so that you can go straight there, read all about the sew along. It's going to be, I think, a 7 or 8 week sew along, including at the end some quilting tips on how to quilt it, be it on your domestic sewing machine or on your long arm. And there's also a sign up so that you can get the emails each week. So 1st of May, Camille Roskelley's Edelweiss kit. Come and join us. I'd love you to be part of this sew along. We've got a Facebook group as well, which is full of amazingly wonderful, supportive people. So come on and join that. There are 3 member questions to ask, so please remember to answer those. And then you can pop your blocks and your progress. Any questions that you want to pop in, you can. As I said, it's a very supportive group in there, so lots of experience and lots of help for things. So looking forward to this sew along, 1st of May. See you then.